Wondering what's going on here at the start line.
Yeah, the hood's popped, and those are officials.
Yeah, so this is pre-burnout, maybe. I think it's pre-burnout. He's far enough back that he potentially hasn't done his burnout yet, but something is catching their eye back there.
But that's not even his crew. That's
Exactly.
our FD staff.
Yeah,
that's what I'm kind of
catching the staff's eyes.
Piqued my interest.
You have to wonder if there was a fluid leak underneath or something that they're looking for the source of, because where they're positioned at the start line, there are no team members, I believe, back there. Yeah, there is something wrong, Jared. They're going to have him pull it to the hot pits, and they will, I guess he's calling a competition timeout for that to happen.
Yeah, that would be a competition timeout. You're allowed one and allotted only one, so Jonathan Castro, who had so much momentum, is doing it one more time. But